Hi, I'm Shawn Martinbrough. I am a comic book illustrator and a commercial artist, and I'm here at the University of Michigan Stam School of Art and Design. I'm here to walk you through my process of translating a script to a layout. I'm a big film and TV buff, so a lot of times I like a cinematic approach. So I like a sort of widescreen panels, which allows me to sort of get more information and depth in the panels. Doing like a quick read-through of the script, it's pretty straightforward. You just have a random person who looks very noirish sitting outside of the State Theater. I've gone through the script and I've done a really quick thumbnail layout of the panel, and then I will really closely follow this when I draw my final page. And what I do is I use a light box so I can kind of trace. And for me, I always find it interesting to use depth whenever I design my panels. I like to have things in the foreground, in the middle ground, and background. I think it just makes for a more interesting composition. Then you have the close-up, so you kind of want to have like a shot of him maybe turning as he crosses the street in the script, so that would be like the street behind him. I'll follow the script the way it's written and just sort of have the character looking up. And this is like the sign of the establishment at an angle. And then for the final panel, they have our main character sitting inside the establishment. Also, another detail of my process with doing layouts is that I use a correction pen. I go back in and I usually clean up the drawing even more by using white. And really, this is just to sort of make it look a little bit more presentable and clean. Boom, there we go. I hope you guys found this helpful and inspiring, and go out and create some stories.